In this video, I'm going to show you how to set permissions in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the left-hand side where you will find your navigation menu. And under your workspace, simply hover on it and then you will see a three dots option on the right-hand side. Be sure to click on the three dots. And within the three dots, you want to click on Teamspace settings. Under here, you will actually see a few options for members. Want to focus on members, and within here, you can actually change their roles from Teamspace owner to Teamspace member, and we'll also have an option to remove. What we could also do is within the page itself, you want to go to your Teamspace and then head over to a page. Within a page, you want to go to the top and the right hand side where you will see the share button. Be sure to click on that. And within here, a drop down will be added and you can actually change their permission. Let's say if we click on a member in here, they will have an option to full access, can edit, can comment, can view, as well as no access at all. What you could also do is give them rules. I'm not going to go further into the rules since the rules are only available on an upgraded version of Notion. And that's about it. That's how to set permissions in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.